How do you pronounce the name of this famous sweet wine, French wine from the Bordeaux region of France, made from grapes affected by a fungus that is called botrytis, the wines of Sauternes? Sauternes. The typical French pronunciation would be Sauternes. Sauternes, if you are able to pronounce the French A. To summarize, you can essentially say in English just Sauternes. So and turn. Sauternes. Sauternes. But if you can pronounce it a little bit better with the typical French pronunciation, well, try and say Sauternes. Sauternes. So the S at the end of Sauternes is definitely silent, so do not say Sauternes. Sauternes, absolutely not. Just Sauternes. 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 Easy. I hope this video was useful. If it was, give it a quick thumb up before you go to support my work, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of wine. Au revoir. Bye bye. Ciao. Santé.